Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be doing the Cheshire cat from Alice in Wonderland. I am going off of this reference photo. I will also list it right here so you guys can see. So starting off this video, I'm going to do the eyes first, as I usually do, and then I will go in and do the rest of these steps. But as for the eyes, I am going to be using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I am going to be using just some ColourPop brushes and the slimmest Glam brush if I can find it. So I am going to go into, we're going to do a pink Cheshire because the classic Cheshire is pink and purple or pink and white. I'm going to go in and do a pink and purple look, same as this picture here. So I'm going to use a Luxie brush and I'm going to use the blender side, and I'm going to go into this hot pink-ish purple kind of fuchsia color right here, and I'm just going to put that all over my crease. And then on the actual lid part, I'm going to go in with this purple color right here. And I'm going to use the other side of the brush, which is the eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now I'm going to go back into a pencil brush like this, and I'm going to go into the black that's in the palette, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corners. So now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side and clean it up, and then we can move on to the eyeliner and the lashes. So now that I have both of the eyes on, I'm going to go into this purple right here, and I'm going to put that all over the lid where I put that pinkish purple color on. Just darken it a little bit. So now I'm just cleaning up the edges, and I am going to go in with this pigment by NYX. It is a purple color and it has a shimmer to it, and I'm just going to add some right onto the lid. So now we're going to do kind of a cat eyeliner. I have never done one before, so this should be interesting, so bear with me if it's horrible. Just bringing it down a little bit more. Sorry guys, I'm not very good at eyeliner. I can't really teach you how to do it. So now that I got the eyes done, I am going to quickly put on some lashes, and then I can put on my foundation, just because I'm going to do a quick layer of foundation, and then we can move on to the Cheshire cat part. So I'm going to go do that quickly. So now once you have your face on however you want it, whatever foundation you think works the best or is your favorite, use that. Now I'm just going to go in with a small brush. So I'm going to use this angled brush. This is the Made You Look brush set that I ordered off of her website when she had the sale, and I'm going to go back into that very first pink that we used, and I am going to add it to my eyebrows. So you have a little bit of the color to your eyebrows. Now the eye portion is done. So I need to run and get some water, and then we can move on to the Cheshire cat. So I'm actually not completely done with the eyes. I am going to go back into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I am going to use the Made You Look. Actually no, I'm going to use just the eyeshadow portion of my Luxie brush. I'm going to go back into the pink, and I'm just going to blow out my under eyes. And I'm going to add some dark purple. that with an eyeliner. So I am using just a waterliner and just adding some black to my waterline. And then the under eyes are complete. You can finish off with mascara under your eyes, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to move on to the cat's mouth. So I am using a reference photo, and I am going to be doing this using body paint. So if you have never used body paint before, this is the NIVIRO makeup, the Paradise makeup, and this is the color black, this is the color white, and this is the color pink, obviously. So I have these three that I'm going to be using today, and I'm also going to be using a lip liner just to map out where I want it to go. So I am just going to draw it exactly where I want it, and then I will fill in the teeth after. Something like that, and then I am going to go in with, you can use a black liner to do that as well, but I don't have a pencil at the moment that's black, so I did decide to use a pink one. And now I'm going to go in with, yes, I'm going to go in with black, and I'm going to fill in where all of my teeth are going to go. So I'm going to make them a little bit exaggerated because I want my cat to be pretty intense. So I am using the Made You Look very defined the very defined brush, and I'm going to fill in the teeth. So So you have something like that. It looks a little crazy right now. Now I am going to go in and I think I'm going to go in and fill in all of the white portion of this crazy mouth. So now I'm using the NIVIRO white. I'm going to go in and fill all the teeth. Alright, now once you have your teeth pretty much on, the front ones are a little screwed up just because of, that's where my lips are, and I may have to extend them down a little bit more. I'm not too sure how to make this work, or I might just make them smaller. I think that's what I'm going to do. So now I'm going to go in with this same little brush, and I am going to fill everything in with black. This is the most time-consuming part. Okay, so that is a very time-consuming thing to do. It's a pain in the ass, but it looks really cool. Now you can go back in and when you are done with the black, I might have to fix some of these things over here, but whatever. Once you are done with the black, you can go back in. I'm gonna go get some new water because the water is completely black. Once you have new water, you can go in with your same brush that is wet in your white. That's a little bit better. Now you can go into the white and you can just brighten it up. Once you're happy with how white they are, you can extend these ones down, and I might try to do that, but I may wreck this look, so I really hope I don't. All right, now that the mouth is on, I kind of have it going. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. So it just has the illusion that the lips or the teeth are there. I tried. So now I'm gonna fill in all of where I put the pink with the black. Okay, so once the mouth is done, I am gonna move on to just some stripes on my body. So, in the reference photo, they have pink, or white, pink, just like stripes going down. So I'm just going to be using a Made You Look brush, just a flat brush like this. And I'm gonna go into, actually, I am gonna go change the water again. Before I do that, quickly, I'm going to add some whiskers. So, just using, actually, I think I'm gonna use an eyeliner. I'm just going off of my reference photo. She just has 3 right here. Wait for the black to dry because it's not going to work right now. So, I'm going to move on to just the stripe portion. So this is the finished look. So by no means do I at all think I am a professional body painter. I think this was a fun look to do if you are a beginner and you are brand new to makeup and SFX and body paint. I've never done anything like this before and I really wanted to try it. So I think I'm going to actually tie this all together just by adding some pink here. So by no means do I think that I am a professional body painter. I thought this was just a fun look to do and I really wanted to try it. I have never done anything like this before. It was just I was just going straight off of a Pinterest picture I found. I watched a couple tutorials on people doing this and they all looked incredibly easy until you start doing it and realize, oh my god, this is actually really hard. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of random and this is just kind of like a special effects. It's just a Alice in Wonderland inspired look and I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is the finished look. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure to like this video if you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, I'm by no means a body painter or a makeup artist. I just like doing this stuff for fun, and as you guys saw in the video, it did take me a couple tinkering to figure some things out. This was more of a, hey, let's do a Cheshire cat than a tutorial, but I hope you guys did enjoy it. I was just going off of a Pinterest photo, and I think this recreation turned out pretty good. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.